njani phofu
whether you pass or not, but we are going to part ways.
Lento lena iqala apha kuwe indlela oyicinga ngayo. Ukuba you have a negative attitude against a certain subject, then chances are uzayifela.
What I want to say to you, please have that someone ozawukwazi ukudrop WhatsApp in the middle of the night too and speak out.
Uthi ke uDr. Spall ngo-2002 1.1 million learners started their schooling in grade 1.
This day, uThixo before the foundations of the world. uThixo beyazi today you will be sitting here.
Well, before siyobhala i-trials.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your day. The center stage is yours.
Ask me what was in my cup, stand on some me. XO, 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 XO. From the moment on my baby girl, she be ready to go, to go, to go, to go. Straight to the dance floor, she working her body, she shaking her bum bum. I'm thanking the Lordy. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Tell me I'm not dreaming. I'm coming. Bomb and keep on working. Keep the drinks, I'm coming.